How to make text more impactful in After Effects. Creating impactful text in After Effects is straightforward, and you might have seen this effect in various edits. But how do you create it yourself? Let's dive right into the process. First, we need to create the text. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+T to access the type tool. Click on the preview screen, type your desired text, and position it as you like. You can easily use a line tool to center it on the screen. Next, we need to add an effect to the text. Right click on the text layer, go to layer styles and select bevel and emboss. Now let's set up the effect. Expand the bevel and emboss settings from the text layer. By the way, you can choose any color you want because white is just too basic for this effect. This time I will choose purple. Now set the shadow color to white. Depth to 320. Angle to 0, 145. Altitude to 0, 30 and the size to 13. Feel free to play with the bevel and emboss settings to see what looks best. You can also add glow or even drop shadow. And here we go, now you've created a nice impactful text in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.